Hey y'all. Okay, I'm looking crazy, but we're gonna get this hair together. So I did a poll on my Instagram, and if you're not following me, link down below. Oh man, I broke another nail. But I did a poll on my Instagram on if y'all if y'all wanted to see me do a review on makeup or hair. Now I got these products from Aphogee. I got the Curlific Moisture Rich Leave-In, the curl definer, and the texture treatment. Now these two here, I saw another YouTuber, Isime Deco, let me pronounce her name correctly, Isime Deco, try this out, and she also has type 4 hair like me, and her hair turned out beautifully. My hair has been going through it, and since I've decided to not chop off my hair for the 3rd time, I am going to take my time and take care of it. So I'm gonna wash my hair with sulfur 8, get it nice and cleansed, then do this, use a texture treatment. It says to leave it on for like a minute, but I'm probably gonna leave it on for a little bit longer than that, maybe 30. And then I'm going to use the curl definer. I was going to do a wash and go with my extreme wet gel, but as you can see, I don't have any extreme left in it. So I'm just gonna do a twist out just like she did with just the curl definer on there. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I'm gonna play some music now. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, you like this video, you comment if you guys want more of this stuff. And yeah, let's get it. Sulfur 8 left, so I'm going to use Maya's Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. Okay, I'm going to wash, I'm going to do the other thing, do the same thing this side, wash it out, and I'll come back while I'm putting on the Curlific. Hopefully baby boy will not wake up by the time I'm done. Okay, be right back. And now I'm all washed. Now I am on a time limit before baby boy wakes up, so I could feed him. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the Aphogee texture treatment, this thing here, and we'll see how that goes for my hair. So split it in two, or in half, I should say. Ooh, that's sulfur 8 in the rosemary. Got my hair squeaky clean, and I needed that. My hair, chill. My hair was going through it. So, it smells very like a light. It says it improves elasticity, repairs damaged curls, coils, and waves. So it says, after rinsing with warm water, work a liberal amount of texture treatment through your thirsty locks. Leave on a minute and then rinse, finishing with cold water. I'm not doing this for a minute. Now I bought this off Amazon. I don't remember how much I bought it for because I bought all 3 of these in a pack. Ooh, that is creamy. Look at that. Look at it. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's do this front piece. But yeah, I bought this in a pack. So I don't remember how much I bought it for off top, but I'll put it on the screen somewhere. But look at this. Look at that. Now, I purposely did not detangle my hair like I normally do. One, because I didn't have time to. When you have 2 toddlers and a newborn, you kind of have to go with the flow. And 2, because I wanted to see how it would detangle my hair, and so far, just with my hands, so far so good. I want to do the front so I can show you guys how, like, look at this, how that's looking. Like, look at that. So this is the front that has it in here, this front piece. This doesn't have any product in it, so no product. Look at that. Not bad. So I'm gonna put this all over my head, and I'll come back when it is fully washed and I'm ready to twist my hair with the curl definer. See y'all in a jiffy. All right, y'all. I am all out the shower, rinsed out, and I'm just using the Curlrific curl definer on my hair. So I already did this half of my head. Flat twisted the front, twisted the rest. So I'm gonna show you guys how much that I put. Now, I'm quite heavy-handed, so I'm just adding a little bit more extra to the ends here. And I detangled in the shower, but I'm gonna detangle my ends again, which quite frankly need to be trimmed. Okay. See? Oh, look at that. Look at that moisture. See, it does define it. No product. See? I'm gonna finish the back and then I'll be back. Hey y'all, so this is the next day of that style that I tried. Remember, I did the Aphogee Curlific Curl Definer. Used that in my hair for a twist out. See, it says definition and control for textured hair, anti-humidity formula. So we're gonna test this out today. So remember, I flat twisted these parts and did a regular twist and twist here. Did my eyebrows, put on some quick lashes. I'm trying this out, this lash life out. So far, I don't mind it. So we'll see how this all turns out. So I'm gonna start taking this out. I don't have any oil in my hair, so I'm just gonna use the moisture rich leave-in that they came with. I didn't use all of this in my hair because, like, look at the spray, like, well, now it wants to spray, it wants to make a liar out of me, but my hair is really thick and it just takes too long. So if you see me looking here, the mirror's right here. So just gonna rub that all over. It does have a hole, like my hair is crunchy. So we will see how this turns out. Hopefully it turns out really nice. Like, ooh, look at that. Look at this. Okay, period. So far, so good. Like, look at this. No white cast. Like, my hair is really defined. Like, look at this. This is awesome. Wow. So far, I'm liking this. So that's the first part of my hair. See, look at this. Defined. So I'm gonna take out the rest of my hair and I'll come back with the final look. So this is the final look, guys. Sorry, my daughter is crying right now because she wants juice, but eyebrows, lashes. So this is the final look. I absolutely love it. Now I know next time to not use so much product. I have a little bit of flaking here, but I'll take it. So next I'll probably try a wash and go. So let me know if you guys want that down below, a wash and go. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, I love you. God loves you. See you in my next one.